Problem, Sean, there, people. Check, check. People, it's all about the Killamanjaro Sound, see? The sound them call the king of rhythm and blues. Right about now, I'm going to play some different song for the people, them, cause everybody don't know the regular tune, them, the popular tune. But one of the people them know says not one tune alone make Kilimanjaro. Tonight, I'm going to play some different song. Some song we not hear in a long time. Some song you probably never hear before. But me I going to show you why we name King of Rhythm and Blues. That me I say. Right about now, big up the man them called Mophead. Big up the General Freddy. And without a doubt, big up the living legend himself, the man we call Papa Jaro. It's all about Killamanjaro Sound. King of Rhythm and Blues. Run things, Jaro. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kilimanjaro. 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 Farmer was a boy and a little bit soft.
Run things, Jaro.
A prison over rock.
Jaro. Got it song.
Prison over rock, I say, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
Run things, Jaro.
Some call it Spanish town, a prison over rock. You see, and some call it Spanish town, a prison over rock. You feel rock on the track, a prison over rock. Yeah, rock on the track. Lord knows prison over rock. Yeah, got some call it Spanish town, a prison over rock. Jump on, and some call it Spanish town. You better rock on the track, a prison over rock. Dedicated to the rockers, you them. Prison over rock. Yeah, everyone you come rock.
Jaro's touch happens every time Kilimanjaro plays. It's the sound that's so divine. There's a magic in you. Oh, Shema. Jaro's touch. There's a kind of magic in the air.
Not a mouse. Kilimanjaro.
Whenever you are near, I get butterflies every time your eyes meet mine. You opened up so many doors. Jaro's sound is so very fast.
We are gonna kill them and make them know so we serious. Jaro come be destroy them and make them know that my sound is dangerous. Tonight we are gonna kill them and make them know so we serious. Jaro come be destroy them and make them know that my sound is dangerous. So watch this. Then come a go on like a ranking, but tonight they must get a spanking, y'all. Let me tell you something, respect Jaro when it is played.
Jaro will always be my sound, and happiness. Yes, I feel good all over. Jaro will always be my sound of all life.
Something testing, no. Kind, you're one of a kind. You're so divine, and I'm glad you are mine. Oh, Jaro, please never change, 'cause you're one of a kind. You're so divine. You're so divine, specially designed.
Jaro in my soldier, we no afraid of no sound boy boat, yeah. Oh Lord, Jaro in my soldier, no afraid of no sound boy boat, yeah. Rebel, them no, man Tradition of be firm like a rock. Now make pollution get in your head top. Go like ice and like a fire you feel. But man must always be your pie. Hear a message, a rose and a chung. Just like a man in this a judgment border. Jaro in vibes and realize that we have to survive. Now if you lose a family member and now you lose a friend, that no say you sit down.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Oh, sound, I wanna tell you something. For real, it's no skin to eat thing. From your outside appearance, you're looking, but I wanna know within. Are you planning to settle down or forever be a clown? You're playing this and playing that. You flip up and now you flap. But oh, Jaro will tell you how they feel. Hey, listen. 'Cause Jaro is the sweetest sound, playing all over town. Jaro is the sweetest sound, playing all over town. Hey, all of me friend them a tell me so. Me hold up on the Jaro and me nah go let go. Cho, idiot sound boy, me and you no friend. Nobody come and wrap up with a Jaro again. Phenomenon 1, phenomenon 2, phenomenon 3. A rock and a promise a open sesame. And I hold up on the Jaro, no Sanchez D. And when me come and dance with me, brown-eyed girls want to play for me. And the Jaro girls come and dance for me. I wanna do all the little things a man should do. All the little things you want me to, Jaro girl. Yeah, Jaro girl. Oh, listen. They say that once your sound is falling, the sound boy cry eternally. Yeah. But cry not for me, Jaro sound. Don't shed your tear eternally. 'Cause I have found Jaro sound I've been searching for. And I need your sound no more. Yeah, no more. I'm sitting here thinking about my situation. Though I know you got your reservation, I was thinking we could have it out. 'Cause if we had it out, I know that we could work things out. But all the girls I've got a rush for reputation. They like to know they got a man with dedication. To prove a point, they gotta put it up. But choosing Jaro sold enough to cope that crowd. But don't think that I don't love you, Jaro. And don't think that I'm going crazy. Don't think for 1 minute you're even on my mind. And don't think that I'm gone for good. Jaro sound, I've been missing you. Won't give you up, and Jaro, I'll tell you why. And I've never been down. Jaro, you never been out, oh no. And I ain't to never hit rock bottom. Hey, listen.
This one is dedicated to all ICI who make it already and all who watch it in the market with that market basket. Buy something, don't you look and pass it. No, feel up, feel up. And not a taste and buy. But buy. I struggle, them a struggle, see, achieve little something. I try them, I try. I not tell no lie, Ricky Trooper, sing up in the dance, them a jump out, them a fly. So, one, cause the music make them feel so advanced in a militant fashion. A musical time, so this is the mood of the band, and you must take what you want. This one is dedicated to all Ainsley, who make it a ready.
From you see your carbon, then you can know one different from the original man. King Selassie, well, is the Almighty One. On that John Paul II, well, me see clear down in the Revelation. One man was worthy, he is the Lamb. He sit down on the throne, but down Vatican and Geneva Conference. Judgment again. I see the devil set his throne. Whoa, in a day at a from proclaiming the mark of the base. The west shall perish, them a head to the haze. Again, I see the devil set his throne. Whoa, in a day at a from proclaiming the mark of the base. Why them a did that not deal with no peace? But Jaro, we search and we search, and when we find, when we seek. Emperor Selassie, I wait. We tell them to think before them speak and look before them leap. And no party keen at them devil face. Watch how you watch chop up the bloody meat. Watch all the place you lay your head and sleep. No for them a sell out and come to sell you out cheap when Marcus a lick the chalice. Why you Jaro?
Some say them a look, but them never see. Two shall inherit the earth, the meek. Cause God 10 commandments we are keep. We have to worship and praise Him for live. Jaro, Satan walk His Christ like sheep. Tell them one or eight up to me. Weeping and moaning, knocking on teeth. Now them test Jaro, them should not wait. You think it's those no war from yesterday? For years and decades, things are go certain way. The work we block, rather them no get no pay. And when we talking block, we stop get paid. So get busy, the sounds on the play. Gunshot to poke every night and day. Not a thing the politician got to say. We want more school and them no look for we. We want hospital but yet still them no lay. We only see politician election day. When them comfy and know them AK, inoculates the youth and lead them the wrong way. Nothing no well and not a thing is okay. Men from Kingston and men from Mophead. While a Jaro put up no hands and say, well, some say them a live but them never see.
Some sound in this world gone crazy. I said some sound in this world gone mad. All because of vanity, they will do anything just to have. I heard someone saying the other day that life doesn't make sense living. They lost their faith along the way, but Jaro is always forgiving. Jaro don't have to be rich to be a happy man. Happy man. Money can buy you and I salvation. Yeah. Jaro don't have to be rich to be a righteous man. As long as your meditation is free from corruption. Some will sell their soul for vanity just to move up in society. All I need is the blessing, prosperity.
It's loud, bad boy fire M16. Policeman a fire AK-47, but Jaro, we a kill some boy. We kill them all the time, cause we well versatile. Hear me some boy, bad boy a fire M16. Policeman a fire AK-47, but Kilimanjaro, we destroy some boy. We kill them all the time, cause we well versatile. Song boy, pull down your arms and run. Pack up your sound and run. Just give it shoots and run. In a Jaro side, bad boy a fire M16. Policeman a fire AK-47. The number one sound in this place. Hear me now, Kilimanjaro.
You are the number one sound in this lane. Yeah. You mash it uptown. You mash it downtown. I said the crowd get around. To listen to number one sound, Kilimanjaro. You are the talk of the town. Oh yeah. The people in my dance. The people in my dance. Them say they want the water pumping. You what they said to me, water pumping. I said she bubble from the fountain. Hear me now, Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. You are the talk of the town. Oh yeah.
I take a Jaro and play all over. I play all over the world, sir. It's not like me. Oh, like something come again. Oh, you, Yes, it's another man, Jaro rover. Yes, it's a Jaro rover. I take a Jaro and play all over. I play all over the world, sir. Boca champion, bubbler. She asks me how we making so much danger. The woman be feed man the steam doctor. And we know. So when we done that, we gonna Jaro, make it them cock a body and a shoulder. Make it them under Jaro, make it them under Jaro. Say Kilimanjaro, say Kilimanjaro. They want Jaro in America. They want Jaro in Canada. They want Jaro in America.
We regret to announce that where the sound the name again. Anyway, him name never important. Cause him done dead already. Kilimanjaro licking don't kill him. And hear people about murder, 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 murder. You think that funny? Listen to this. Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. Say me went uptown and me hear them a say. Me went downtown, same thing. Them a say him a the gargana. In a this ya dance, him a the gargana. In a this ya dance, a Manjaro. In a this ya dance. He play LP and he play 45. He play dubplate till the sound can't find him a the gargana. In a this ya dance, him a the gargana. In a this ya dance, superstar, 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 superstar. Give me now soup. Him a the gargana. In a this ya dance, him a the gargana. We play dubplate and we play delay. We play dubplate and you jump and prance.
Oh, now. Oh, yeah. Papa Jaro. Say, forward up, ooh, now. Forward up, ooh, yeah. Forward up yourself right now.
sound. Some idiot sound off and lay him down. But Jaro sound are the talk of the town. No idiot sound couldn't lay him down. Cause them a dead stack. Them off the dress back. Whoa, yo, them a dead stack. Them off the dress back. Lord of mercy. Tell a sound boy, them no response to that. Think Jaro a idiot. But Ricky Trooper put a stoppage to that. Cause Jaro sound ain't no race to
Me have a girl and she a run down the world. Me have a girl and she a run down the world. She better go on and left Maggie. Better go on and left Maggie. Special play by Kilimanjaro alone. Sing. Little woman. Little woman, you can go on there. Me have a girl and she a run down the world. Me have a girl and she a run down the world. She better go on and left Maggie. Better go on and left Maggie. Come in no one do come peg love. Come in no one do to Peggy. Come in no one do crabby. Come in no one do damn kiddy. I want a girl with dignity. I want a girl intelligent leggy. She got to be capacitic. Capacitic. Come up and beautiful clothes. And yet she have enough dirty clothes. A little youth is him have a running nose. And yet the woman she a walk on a low. But if me have a girl and she a run down the world. Me have a girl and she a run down the world. She better go on and left Maggie. Better go on and left Maggie.
Don't talk about me brown, Jaja don't say me black. Me slim, me tell you borrow band and no fat. Me DJ fi ballad and dreadlock. And carry wigs back down in me diamond sock. Me favorite color that a yellow and black. And when me come a show, yes me sit down in a box. Show where we watch star by silver fox. We fatter than this thing out of a gala was. You trouble raw, why you say you won't forget sharp. You hang a man, you hang him high in a tree top. A sound get drop a Papa Jaro do that. It must be the lyrics that I borrow him.
A sound boy is dying in the street, yes. If I knock it, a Ricky Trooper do it. A sound boy is dying in the street, yes. And they've got to hide when Jaro sound them meet, yes. A sound guy head burst. Is it a blessing or a curse, yes? A sound guy head burst. Is it a blessing or a curse? Hey. Now like a sound boy, make up your mind, yeah. Cause we are living in a perilous of time.
Hey. Put on the pressure, Jaro fling on the heat. Kilimanjaro rule the street. Put on the pressure, Jaro fling on the heat. If you test Jaro, make your life to complete. Put on the pressure, Jaro fling on the heat. Kilimanjaro rule the street. Put on the pressure, Jaro fling on the heat. If you test, you make your life all to complete. Jar certain tune and them hearts keep a beat. For certain style, them ask go with we. People of the world say, Jaro, you're too sweet. If you test, you make your life all to complete. Put on the pressure, Jaro fling on the heat. We know what Jaro rule the street. Put on the pressure, Jaro fling on the heat. Don't test me, I'll make you more than me.
Right now we ready, son, boy, hold on steady. King Jaro a move at lightning speed. Take a seat and wait for we ready. Yes, Freddy did it. Hold on steady, y'all. King Jaro come to murder a sound boy. And we don't need no commotion. King Jaro come to murder a sound boy. A ribbity bang, ribbity boom. A Papa Jaro come to wounded a sound boy. Hey now. A Papa Jaro come to murder a sound boy. Yeah. There is a time when some clash get up. Selector a run, him no know where I run. Take a seat and wait for we ready. Oh yes, we die, so hold on steady, y'all. King Jaro come to murder a sound boy. We don't need no commotion. King Jaro come to murder a sound boy. Yeah. Oh lordy, lordy, lordy. Papa Jaro come for murder a sound boy. Hey now. Now Papa Jaro come for wound me the sound boy. Yeah. Oh lordy.
You think I love Jaro for just one thing? To you, Jaro, it's just a raining day. But I know the way they conduct themselves. I give love away. Oh, Jaro, be inside. Ain't that love in you, Jaro? I say, ain't that love in you, Jaro?
Reggae music is a form of enjoyment. Nobody fighting at the dance, they dance, they dance. Papa Jaro a play, Papa Jaro a play. Nobody fighting at the dance, they dance, they dance. Papa Jaro a play. Reggae music, away the people them want in a rubber dub style, well versatile. Papa Jaro in the era, we come fi enjoy, we say, we come fi enjoy, we say, while the music playing, and me I drink skanking, rubber dubber with them one, them one. Oh yeah, Papa Jaro.
Trotting through this jungle with me chalice in me hand. Here comes some wicked men to juke I down. Them say, come make we go listen to another song. And what I play in the land, and what I dub in the land. But I want look one day and tell them say, only Papa Jaro me follow. And there is nothing that you can do. Oh, Papa Jaro me follow. Me follow. Papa Jaro me follow. Jaro. Jaro. Jaro.
Run the track. Whoa, hey, yeah. Jaro, the champion sound. Tonight we're gonna throw them down. Oh yeah. Some boys just have fight dance. And I'm wondering why them a fight night so. Only God just have fight dance. And I'm wondering why them a fight night so. Yeah. Only God just have fight dance. And I'm wondering why them a fight night so. Ooh yeah. I ain't much for all sound boys. Jaro and the jump and sound ain't never been friends. Oh no. Don't you know I'm a Jaro and the ruler? And you don't jump on children's baby. We gonna lick the feeling box turn over. Put the night in a rooster. Midwich and them tweeter. Can't let them get away. Hey, I don't mind when you say that you going to play. And I'm a little chip and sound boy. Jaro, I'd rather stay here listening to your dubs all night long. Playing all night long, killing your jump and sound. Oh yeah.
I'll never take a woman who don't say she loves me. I'll never take a girl like you. You must be true to me. You must be kind to me. You must be intelligent too. You are the one for me. You are the one I love. are the girl that I see in my dream. Yeah. I'm hearing rumors about the things you said, but you only say it to my best friend, and he come back and tell me, girl, I'll never take a woman who don't say she loves me. I'll never take a girl like you.
So boy, you, I know what's up today, maybe for you, and tomorrow, maybe for me. I say the who at keep at his mouth shall surely keep at his sound. In this time, sound boy, I say the way is of sin is dead, you know, sound boy. I say the gift of sound is eternal life, yeah. If a sound boy should keep his mouth closed, he will never get thrown down by Jaro sound. No way, I said no way. If a sound boy should keep his mouth closed, he will never get thrown down by Kilimanjaro. No way, hear me sound boy, it's today, baby boy.
Who let us give them a seed about casket? Another song boy, keep the bucket. Think I'm not dance all I want like him all. Jaro sound do so them up front. Who let us give them a seed about casket? Another song boy, keep the bucket. Think I'm not dance all I want like him all. Jaro sound do so them up front.
I me say ain't no sound that move me. Ain't no sound can groove me like Jaro do. Jaro do, Jaro do. Lord knows. I me say play me rough and tough now. I me say play for everyone. Jaro are the number one. Jaro are the champion. Hey.
When I was a boy, I used to say, without Kilimanjaro, you just can't go home. Now that I'm a man, I get to understand. Kilimanjaro, the moving land. Lose it. Kilimanjaro, he's a champion sound, playing in the long boy.
How can you be so ungrateful after all that God's done for you? Yeah. How can you be so unruly knowing He controls your destiny? Yeah. In the stars and the world I see, boy. And on the wind he speaks with majesty. Oh, what a wonderful feeling, if only you could see. Yeah, whoa, whoa. It was ordained for us to live in peace, boy. Not to hate each other. Why do we fight each other when we should live at war? Yeah. How can you be so ungrateful after all that God has done for you, son boy? How can you be so unruly knowing He controls your destiny?
Now, listen. Kilimanjaro's having a party tonight, where everything will be alright. So come on, everyone. Crown Kilimanjaro the number one. We gonna kill the sun before we go. We gonna kill the sun and let the old world. The time is short, so hear me, man.
Mount Kilimanjaro, the number one. Jaro sound gonna find them, yeah. With the help of the plate, yeah. We're gonna find them to the top. Yes. We're gonna find them. Lord, we've got you. We're gonna find them to the top. Yes. The idea at times get old. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. But we're gonna find them, and step by step we take this road. We're gonna hold the thing, yeah. Then we will laugh and sing, yeah. Jaro gonna find them to the top. We'll never stop. We got to find. No, no, no. We got to find. No, no, no. We got to find. No, no, no. We got to find. Jaro sound gonna find them.
A shine eye sound, not a threat to the Jaro hanging. A idiot sound, why not a threat to the Jaro hanging? I rise early, looking some up from early. See, I looking for the sound boy, but him no on ya. Hanging, ma run up him out, chat up him out with Lana. Hanging, hanging. Twang, twang, and when we check them out, said them done. Said a idiot son boy can't test the Jaro hanging. A shine eye son boy not a threat to the Jaro hanging. Toot toot twang, hey. Stand on, stand on, stand on, stand on. See. Every day them a run up them out, that them a big bad champion sound. But the Jaro never miss when we hard.
Son boy you dead when Papa Jaro a play. Son boy you dead when Papa Jaro a play. Gonna chatty mouth, said down, mind your mouth. A chatty sound, said down, mind your mouth. And can you keep a secret? Keep it in your mind. Don't bring it up to Jaro, man. I tell you, don't tell it to your brother, man. Son boy, you dead, dead. When Papa Jaro a play. Oh yeah. Because the chatty sound said mind your mouth. Chatty sound said mind your mouth. And can you keep a secret? Keep it in your mind. Don't bring it up to Jaro, man. I said for mine. Know your friends, know your company.
Jaro can defeat you. Jaro is gonna murder you. Kill your family too. No sound can test King Jaro. Oh, I know no sound can test the King Jaro. Yeah, when I think of Jaro sometimes, happiness just fills my mind. Jaro make us so blind. Jaro is a one of a kind. Jaro can defeat you. Jaro is gonna murder you. Kill your family too. Jaro, no sound can test you. Oh, I know no sound can test the King Jaro. Digging up your chest so much, you run the town.
They want it, now, hear it now. Be wise now, sound boy. Come listen to the sound called Jaro. In these crucial times, we've got to be strong. Yeah, now. For as sure as the sunshine, Jaro, I go does it when I really mind. Won't stop from murdering sound. Do it with all your mind, Mr. Trooper. For Jaro, him will do it. Kill sound and rubber dub style. Some boys don't start the minute or the hour, so play the best you can right now for Jaro. I go do it. Kill sound in a rubber dub style.
The things you wanna achieve in life is there for you if you try.
We ready for them. We a go flash it up and mash it up again. We ready for them. Kilimanjaro, kill them again. Hear them a spread propaganda. We see some of them a wonder. Kilimanjaro, chichi woy, a Kilimanjaro. We hear them a spread propaganda, but them can't stop a Kilimanjaro. We ready for them. We a go kill them before them spread. Don't let them get away. Sound boy, a Kilimanjaro, a Kilimanjaro. We ready for them. You can't stop me again. No way, you can never stop Kilimanjaro, no matter what you play.
The sunshine and the rivers and the sea. Cause tonight we'll be going out and sing you see to the sound playing in the city. I said, boy, a Kilimanjaro. Alright, boy, a Kilimanjaro. Oh yes, when kill a sound, we going kill a sound. When kill a sound, we going kill a sound. When kill a sound, we must kill a sound. We have 5,085. Nice up in the country, we nice up in the town. I can take a look at the top of the town. Woy, yo, yo, yo. Woy, yo, yo, yo. I see come from for here. I see come from far. I'm in the dance, they not deal with tribal war. I pop a
Sweet reggae music, keep on playing. Alright, in the dancehall tonight. Alright, sweet reggae music playing. Sweet reggae music playing. Sweet reggae music playing. Play it in a New York, play it in a London, play it in a Bronx, in a Manhattan, play it in a London town. Love to see the people gather round. I love to see the people dancing. Oh, sweet reggae music playing. The people don't wanna go away. They really wanna stay. Alright, again. Watch you the dancers full of. Watch you the girl them a bubble of. Watch you the man them a skaggy. Round about the child is stubborn. This sensing it can't done. Natalie going to the bar. The wool light still off, the wool light still off. You wrong piece and come call Reggie. You wrong piece and come call Kilimanjaro. Alright, put them in a sorrow. Come on now, come on again, come on now. Sweet reggae music playing. Sweet reggae music playing. I love to see the people dancing. So the fire's also the death ranking. Yankee number banking. Alright then, Yankee number banking.
Call me some mother for we.